Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to unbox with you together a new cross stitch that I have just received in the mail this morning. It's a kit that I found in a store, but I didn't buy it at the time, and then I really wanted it, and when I went to buy it again, it was gone. So I actually bought it on the internet. So this is it. This is a cross stitch kit. It's a Japanese traditional painting called Ukioe. I think this is quite unique to buy as a cross stitch kit. To be honest, I only recently noticed this type of cross stitch kits. I don't know if they're available outside Japan. I was actually looking at the back of this kit here, and this thread here, it's not DMC thread, it's actually called Olympus, which at a first glance seems like it's a company, local company here in Japan. If you know about this kind of kits, please let me know, because I'm very curious if you can find them locally in your country or in your stores. I bought mine, like I was saying, on Amazon, and if you're interested in this kind of cross stitch kits, I will put the link in the video description so you can access the same page where I bought mine. Sorry for the meowing, it's my kitty. He likes to talk when I talk a lot. So yeah, so let's do the unboxing. So this is the image that will be the final pattern, and as you can already see, it's very neatly packed. The thread is not pre-cut. I will probably have to do it myself, but that's no problem. And it's really neatly arranged. Here there is a thread needle inside this kit, somewhere around here, and on the front there are some instructions, like what you further need for this, like you need to iron it, and you need to no, that's basically it, and purchase a frame separately. And the size is around 36.5 centimeters with 29 centimeters, something like that. Yeah. All right, so let's open it and see what it is inside. Let's see if I can do this camera a little bit right. So, like I was saying, this is the Olympus thread, that it's different, slightly different than DMC. I saw this kind of thread in the local hobby shop that I always go to. It's very neatly arranged. And then this is the cloth. There is a little thread very neatly packed here on this tiny cardboard. They're even neatly tied at the end, so they will not stick together or not together. And there are some numbers here. I didn't check anything yet. I will put them here. And then this is the cloth. It's neatly ironed already, and it's quite soft. It's not very rigid or stiff. It is a little bit, but I can already, there's this piece of cardboard inside to keep it straight. And this, oops, something fell. Right, so this is the cloth, and I guess I'm going to start it from the middle. So I already have it half, the line from half the size here. I will only have to fold it lengthwise in half and press and find the middle, so I will be able to start it. Okay, and this is the actual pattern, which I'm not going to show to you the actual pattern, but only the image, because I'm worried about the copyright terms. So actually the pattern is on a separate piece of paper. There is another paper inside. It says it's a quiz. It's a quiz. So you can answer these questions and then send it here, and you can also purchase other kits from the same series. So yeah, this could be actually very useful, right? So this is, here is the pattern. It is composed of only 2 pages. I'll briefly show it to you like this. 1 page with the kimono, and here with the face, and that's it. So it also has a little bit of instructions, like how to cross stitch, like the techniques over here. And here is the legend, like the thread codes, and also how to, I guess this is the back, or how to finish your project. And here is a list of other projects from the same series and the frame that they recommend with this, that I think I saw it in the hobby shop where I do my shopping. It also explains to you how to wash your project, how to fold it, how to iron it, which is very useful. And when you frame it, if you frame it by yourself, some quick instructions on how to, and tips on how to frame this by yourself. So yeah, basically this is it. This is the kit. I cannot wait to start. So these are all pictures. These are all traditional Japanese pictures, and this is the one that I will start working on very soon, hopefully. Okay, so this concludes the unboxing of this cross-stitch kit called the Daughter Blowing a Pen. Daughter Blowing a Pen. So what I'm gonna do next is put all my thread onto my bobbins here. So let's see how to do that. I'm still a beginner at this, so maybe there's a better way to do it, but this is how I figure out, and this is how it looks after I've done one bobbin, which is pretty nice. And I'm going to cut the length that I need as I go with my project. Okay, so let's see.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning, my head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you.